Sarah, can you pour some tea for Michael?
So I can get it from
Sarah,
there.
can you pour me some tea?
Okay, go back.
Sarah, do you want to pour
Lily,
me some
trash can's
tea?
over here.
Go throw it over in the trash can, Lily.
These are Sarah's, right?
Sarah, can you get Mom, guys, look at me. Guys, Mom and Dad, look at me.
Mm-hmm.
Look at me.
I see you.
Nice, good tea.
What is that?
Mark.
Why you got on me? Mark, we have plates.
Sarah, do you want to have this?
Very good, thank you.
Hey, look.
Whoa, spill. Gotta get a napkin. Oh, spill. I run. Hey, you're going the wrong way. You gotta go like that. Make sure you don't spill.
Sarah, give Lily a cup.
There's one. Take cup. Oopsies. Take. Let me pour it again. A cup too.
Sarah, do you want another gift?